Have you ever opened up your school, stared at the dashboard, and thought, what am I even supposed to do first? Because you're not lazy, you're not behind, you're standing in front of a blank community with no instruction. And here's the brutal part. Most people respond by doing easy things to feel productive. They start building modules, uploading lessons, making roadmaps, organizing tabs, and then crickets. No members, no conversions, no momentum. And it's not because your idea is bad, it's because you started building the house before you even put the sign up that tells people why they should walk inside. And that sign is your About page. The About page is the moment of truth. It's the first thing everyone sees when they click over from YouTube or any social media platforms. And in the first 5 seconds, they decide, is this for me? If your About page doesn't answer that fast, they bounce, even if your community is full of gold. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what belongs on your school About page, what to delete, and the simple formula that makes beginners feel like, oh, okay, now I know what I'm supposed to do. Here's the goal. When someone lands on your About page, they should instantly know 5 things. And these 5 things aren't clear, your school is going to feel confusing, even if it's packed with value. So here are the 5 lines every page needs. Line 1. Who is it for? This is where you call out your exact person. Not everyone, not anyone who wants to learn. Be specific. Because clarity repels the wrong people and attracts the right people. Your first line should make someone say, yep, they know what they're talking about. Yep, that's me. Example, I help beginners who build a recurring income online. Line 2, the pain. Pain earns attention. This is where you describe what they're struggling with right now. Not in a dramatic way, in a direct way. Like you're posting content but nothing converts. You're overwhelmed by building a course. You just don't know what to build first. You're stuck trading time for money. In line 3 then goes the result. This is the outcome, the after, what they do on the other side. Example, building a recurring income stream that pays you monthly with a system you can actually repeat. Line 4, this is the vehicle. This is the mechanism, the method, the system, because mechanism builds belief. People need to know you don't have to have motivation, you have to have a path. This is where you say how you help them get the result. And in my world, the vehicle is simple. YouTube brings attention, AI helps create it faster, and school converts attention into monthly revenue. That's the system. Line 5, this is their first win. This is where most people miss it. When someone joins, what do they do first? What do they get first? What's the first quick success? Because hesitation disappears when direction is obvious. For example, start here, watch this start lesson, or grab the roadmap and post your first ship in the community. This gives them the first step, not a giant menu. Now, once you have those 5 lines, your About page becomes a decision page. And that's the whole point. Because if they can decide right then and there, your About page is not doing its job. Now let's talk about what to remove, because this is what kills conversion. Long bios. Not everybody needs 10 paragraph life story on an About page. Save personal stories for your YouTube content or your social posts. When people already choose to spend time with you on your About page, They just want the solution. Remove the big promises. Don't say that you'll give them 20,000 things and set up yourself for stress. People don't want more stuff. They want their problem solved. So remove the full curriculum dump. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Lesson 17, bonus folder. Bonus folder 2, that's not clarity, that's decision fatigue. And decision fatigue kills conversion. Here's the rule. Every extra choice delays them. One extra action converts. 2 options slow it down. 3 options crushes it. So simple, clear, clean. When someone hits your about page, they don't just trust you yet, even if they like you. Even if they watched your videos, they're still guarded. So your job is to make them feel safe and obvious and easily, this is for me. That's the pain. That's the result I want. They have a path. I get a quick win immediately. Boom, they join. And once they start converting, then you build the rest when you add the workshops. Then you build your content with your members based on feedback, based on what they actually need. That's how you do this the smart way. And if you want me to hand you templates in the exact school plus AI plus YouTube system I teach so you can build a reoccurring income without thinking, come join the Shifting Gears community. It's where we ship every week. We fix what's not converting and we build the machine the right way. Click the link, join Shifting Gears, and I'll see you on the inside.